Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to share an inspiring idea that can make a big difference in our schools and communities: going plastic free. Plastic pollution is a serious problem, and it's high time we take action at the grassroots level. Imagine a school where there are no plastic water bottles, no plastic straws, and no plastic bags. Instead, we use reusable bottles, eco-friendly straws, and cloth bags. By doing this, we not only reduce the plastic waste generated in our school but also set an example for others to follow. Our schools can become plastic-free zones, and our communities can do the same. It's a simple yet powerful step towards phasing out single-use plastics and managing plastic waste responsibly. As students, you have the power to influence your school and community leaders. You can start initiatives to reduce plastic use, organize awareness campaigns, and inspire others to join the plastic-free movement. In conclusion, let's take the lead in making our schools and communities plastic-free. Together, we can create a more sustainable and eco-friendly environment for everyone.